Hello everyone. A lot is going on Senzo trial. It's very confusing, you guys. You just don't know who to believe anymore. Emotions are high. I cannot imagine how the Senzo family is going through right at this moment. It's very painful. The family believes that the best friend of Senzo, Tumelo Madlala, is just lying under oath, especially the part where Madlala said he held Senzo and took him into the car, but he was using crutches. On the other hand, Zandi Khumalo, who is sister to Kelly Khumalo, said Ntoko and other neighbors, including herself, helped to take Senzo and put him in the car so that they can take him to the hospital. Tumelo is currently being cross-examined by advocate Tobane, and Tumelo Madlala is a witness in the Senzo trial and is characterized by his lack of recollection. He could not recall crucial details such as lighting inside the room where the alleged gun-wielding intruders entered. Tumelo, who testified during the trial of the 5 men accused of gunning down the football star Senzo. He said he could not remember whether the lights in the room were on, but mentioned that the lighting emanating from TV set was enough for him to identify perpetrators. He said he had a clear view of both perpetrators despite having consumed alcohol on the night of murder. Advocate Tobane said, "I put it to you, as you said that you only saw the hat and the crutch. A witness will testify that next to the hat and the crutch, there was a bullet. So does it mean you never saw that bullet projectile? Was it not there?" Madlala responded and said he doesn't know about any bullets and denied that Senzo was already deceased when they took him to the hospital. The advocate also pressed him with the proposition that one of the occupants of the house, who included singer Kelly Khumalo, her sister Zandile, Longo Twala, and Togozane Twala, could have allegedly shot Senzo. Madlala replied and said, "I don't know about what you are saying, that someone from the house shot Senzo. I'm hearing it from you." The trial has been postponed to 14 November as Advocate Nshololo wasn't feeling well. Advocate Tobane believes that Tumelo is coached and is lying under oath. Do you think Tumelo is lying based on what he has told the court? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.